It is important to know the various species of Plasmodium and what kind of malaria they cause in human beings. And as you all know, the person who discovered that it was Plasmodium, which was the causative organism of malaria, was Charles Laverin, who won a Nobel Prize for his discovery. And the person who identified that it was transmitted by female Anopheles mosquito was Sir Ronald Ross. The first species is the most common one called Plasmodium vivax, which has an incubation period. Incubation period means the time window between where the person contracts the disease and to the time where he starts experiencing the symptoms. It is about 14 days, and it is called a benign tertian malaria. The reason it is called tertian malaria is because the symptoms are mostly the fever and chills, as the symptoms recur. They occur once every third day, once after every 48 hours. On every third day, you will see the symptoms occurring for Plasmodium vivax. So it is called benign tertian malaria. The most dangerous form of malaria is caused by Plasmodium falciparum, which causes a form of malaria called black water fever. It causes cerebral malaria or estivo-autumnal malaria or malignant malaria because it spreads to even the nervous system. That's why it is called the malignant malaria. It has a shorter incubation period of 12 days, and however, the recurrence of fever is again, it's a tertian malaria, so malignant tertian. So therefore, every third day, that is after every 2 days, after every 48 hours, fever and chills recur in case of Plasmodium falciparum. What about Plasmodium malaria? It is called quartan malaria because fever recurs after every 3 days or on every fourth day. Since the fever recurs on every fourth day, it is referred to as Plasmodium malariae, and it causes quartan malaria. Okay, another species which causes a milder form of tertian malaria, the same one that is caused by Plasmodium vivax, is called Plasmodium ovale. Here also, in case of ovale, it is considered to be a tertian malaria, that is, fever recurs after every 48 hours or on every third day. So we have benign tertian, mild tertian, malignant tertian, and quartan malaria caused by the respective species of Plasmodium.